Yeah. Alright. Listen. Look, y'all gotta wake up every morning and freestyle, bro. This is what you gotta do. Okay. Yeah. This shit hard. Okay. 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 Look. Always been a money chaser. I had to put it in the safe. God dang. Always want the wealth. Always want the health. Gotta need a house on the water with the belt. Alligator gators. I be surfing with the neighbors. Ooh. Macaroni good, come with 8 flavors. God dang, if you talk crazy, I'll shave ya. Hairline clip ya, and I might zip ya. Yeah, I need a ZIP, I'll zip ya. I've been hip to the buzz. Hit you in your face, it show you love. If you wanna talk crazy, be great. God dang, hit him off in his face. I can't even curse cause your boy need them ads. I'ma be real, I'ma let you know the jazz. If you wanna spit it, well we can get wicked. I can go ahead and go and pivot, punch your ass in your face like 1, 2, fall down, hit that grounds what you do. I've been dope and I act a fool. The talent level gap is higher than you, goddamn. I need some money in the bank, like Shawty, what you think? If you really wanna spit, we really get it ripped. We could really get it tripping. Like Crip, bro, we could really get it it's just a freestyle off the dome. If you really hating, take your ass home. Home to your mom where you chilling in your room. I need me a nice fast car that goes zoom. Alright. Now different shit. Now some different flows. Man, I'm lyrical. I can go there too. Well, I can go there too. I need to go to Red Lobster with the biscuits too. I need them cheddar biscuits. I need some money, nigga. I need a bag, nigga. You looking sad, nigga. I need Mercedes S Benz with a nice coupe. And some Fruit Loops. What you know about craft, nigga? You should go take a bath, nigga. I've been spitting since a little kid. Ooh, yeah, I'm wicked. Might just flip shit, might just kick shit. Dip shit, talking that shit in my face. Punch your ass, knock all your teeth out of place. Ow. Come on. What? What you mean?
Just because I want your attention does not mean that I'm very big.
Cause you and your attention span, you watching Paw Patrol right now. Come on.
That's the only thing that's on TV, and I don't know how your TV works.
Paw Patrol, come on. Huh? Yeah, go ahead, Doug. Go ahead. About to mess up your dinner.
It's watermelon.
Yeah, bro. Saw you.
You up?
Yeah. Alright. I'm about to teach you boys how to make some steak today. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie to you. A lot of y'all really don't know how to cook at the crib. Y'all be eating grilled cheese sandwiches. That has to stop in 2019. That has to stop. You feel me? I'm about to teach y'all how to make this steak. You feel me? First and foremost, look. See that? That's a 3-day-old marinated steak. What? You can marinate steak up to 5 days.
You sure it's good?
Yeah, bro. You can marinate it.
Okay.
Listen. I know what I'm doing. So, listen. If y'all want a marinate recipe, get you some soy sauce, some balsamic vinegar, some olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, some garlic, onion powder too, and a little bit of chipotle seasoning. First things first, what you gonna want to do is, got the camera on me?
Mm-hmm.
On me, let's get it. First things first, you're going to get you a pan. Don't really matter what pan you're using. I like using woks, you feel me? They cook the best steaks, you feel what I'm saying? And what you're going to want to do is, first and foremost, you know what? Bring it on in. You're going to want to cook you a whole meal first too. So we're going to take some spinach, we're going to wash that off. Now, bring the camera up. If you don't eat spinach, or if you don't eat greens, I know your face broken out. I know you got acne, boy. Let them know, Dominique, my cooking fire.
It is. It's really good.
Boom.
Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Precise cuts. Precise cuts. Yay. Boom. Take a little bit of pepper. Boom. Sprinkle it over that bad boy like such. Not too much, just enough. Next thing next. Get you some garlic powder. Get you some onion powder. Matter of fact, get you a little bit of both. Sprinkle a little bit of that on there, yeah. Then what you do is, boom. You don't even gotta do all this, it's just me being extra. Your wok should be ready. Usually I use butter just to spread it across the pan, but we're out of butter, so I'm pretty much just gonna use some olive oil. Just take a little bit of olive oil. You can just do a cap full, or if you're a pro, just pour as much as you want. You don't want to pour too much though, because you don't want to make it olive oily. You put a little bit of olive oil right there. Feel me? Turn the heat down. You don't want the heat up too high. Turn the heat down, please. Where's the garlic? 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 This is what you do. Where's the garlic?
Did you run out?
I hope not. Oh, I ain't running no garlic. Usually I'd use more garlic, but for this case, all I'm doing is just having it down so that the garlic can marinate in the olive oil. So I just need just a little bit of garlic, a little pinch of garlic. Boom, you dice that bad boy up just like so. Dice that up. Cooking is a necessity. If you're a dude and you don't know how to cook, I really don't know how you're gonna survive in this world. You can't survive off Chinese food and Burger King and McDonald's, bro. You really can't do that, bro. Seriously. So, take your garlic like so, sprinkle it in the pan. Oh yeah, you hear that? That's beautiful. That's beauty right there. That's beauty right there. Now, if I wanted to be outside the box, I'd take some spinach and put it down and cook the steak on top of that. That would be pretty fire.
Yeah, but how long would you cook the steak then?
Exactly. Good point. So this is what we're gonna do instead. So that the steak has a good foundation to grill off of or to cook off of. Put a little bit of black pepper right there. More onion powder. Don't want to use too much. I think we need a little bit more. Just drop more. All right, boom. Then you take your steak out. This steak has been marinated for about 2 days. Take that, take it out the packaging. You see how it's all glistened and all this good stuff? Put that bad boy down. That's a straight marinated steak right there. If you want to add some of the extra sauce, you can do that. I don't really think I might do too much of that. Ooh, there we go. Add a little bit more of that, right? You have the watch. What time is it?
It is 7:39.
All right, 7:39. So you want to cook your steaks about 3 to 4 minutes or a little bit more, depending on how well you want them. I like a medium or kind of like a medium well steak. So I'm gonna cook it a little bit longer. So you said 7:39?
Yeah.
So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. How about 43, 44? We're gonna flip it. Eyes on the steak. We don't be doing all that flipping stuff. We just leave it alone. Let it sit. This big thing you see right here is a little bit of garlic I cut up just to marinate in the steak too. So we're gonna let that sit. All right, time has passed. Hold that for me, ma'am. So I decided to make some spinach too. I usually make my spinach and butter. We didn't have no butter, so I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. You see me? But it's steak flip time. Take steak, flip it, boom. See that? Now the trick with steak is you really want it to have a nice crust, but you don't really want it to be like hard on the inside. You want it to have a hard crust and you want it to be soft and chewy on the inside too. So this is pretty good. I might have to cook this a little bit more. What time is it?
7:47.
All right, so 7:47, 48, 49, 50, 51. I think I cooked this steak a little bit longer than I'm supposed to, but it should still be done, right? One of the rules to cooking steaks, any steak, no matter what steak it is, you have to make sure that when you take it,
I don't think I got that. you're good. I don't think I got that.
Okay, you have to make sure that when you take it and you put it on this little cutting board right here, you have to make sure that you don't cut it. Gotta wait like 5 minutes to cut it. If you cut this steak between the 5 minutes, then it means that all the juices, that means that all the juices fly out the steak. Steak is over there chilling, right? That's what we're doing. Pour some of these right here. Some of these good old fashioned stewed tomatoes over that, right? Pour some of that. We're gonna pour some of this over here too. Right? We don't got that much. Yes, sir. I'm a chef out here. Here's going to be the moment of truth. Wonder if I did a good job on the steak. Kinda scared. Kinda scared. But I did a good job. Look at that. Medium. Straight medium all the way through. Now, Dominica, if you may.
Oh, I get to test it?
You get to test it. Here, taste that. Come on, come over here.
I'm scared you got a knife.
Just take it off.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Be honest.
That's actually really good.
It's good though?
What did you put in again? Balsamic vinegar and stuff?
Balsamic vinegar,
I would've
soy
put
sauce.
A little bit more balsamic vinegar though.
Okay.
Just a little bit more.
But it was slapping.
Oh yeah. And maybe even left it for like one more day.
There you go. How to make a steak by Nashi.